YouTube, welcome back guys to another video. About to hit the 95 right now. Actually gotta go pick something up, so I figured I'd just record, probably do some highway pulls in track mode if it's clear enough, because it's usually pretty jam-packed over here because there's always obviously road work being done. But yeah, got it cleaned up the other day. The outside's already a little bit dirty because it's pretty dusty outside, but inside's always nice and fresh. Got it smelling like watermelon. I like having these gauges put up. I don't know, to me it looks cool. Makes me feel like I'm in a fighter jet or something. And obviously you could tweak these around. You could customize them, change them however you like. Yeah, I don't know if track mode's gonna happen. Fuck it. Alright, let's go. So I hope you guys are all having a nice summer. For whatever it's worth. The weather's been kind of shitty where I live at. I'm up in the northeast of the United States. Comment down wherever you guys are at. How's the weather over there? But yeah, the weather's been pretty shitty over here, man. Like every weekend when I'm off, one of the days has to like be cloudy as shit or raining. You know what I mean? And the other day is nice and sunny, but I want to have both days, that are nice. But it is what it is, man. I actually got a lot done today because not too long ago, I don't know how, but on the bottom left side, bottom driver's side of the bumper where the fog light housing is at, for some reason it kind of got like undone. It looked like one of the clips got off somehow, some way. So for the longest I've been meaning to do it, but I don't know why, I just never wanted to do it. So today I was like, fuck it, man. I'm like, let me just pop this thing back in. So all I had to do was just use my grip and just literally just snap it back in and look good as new. My foot's on the floor, by the way. So much traffic over here, man. It's like never-ending traffic. I got that one pull in and then everybody's like, nope, no more. And I'm not the type of person to be cutting up through lanes like, a lot of these young kids be doing on YouTube and stuff, because I'm not putting my life at danger. I got a wife and kid at home. And number two, I ain't putting somebody else's life at danger. That's something that a lot of these kids don't think about when they're driving like this. Because when you're 18, 19, 20, and you're behind the steering wheel of a fast car, you think you're invincible. Especially if you could drive a little bit, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, nobody's a professional driver on the highway. Nobody's a professional cutter or anything like that, Like you see these guys on YouTube that do that shit, and even though they could be the best, whatever, they still crash and stuff like that all the time, They might not show it all the time on camera. Sometimes they will. They'll show a little this and that, but these guys wreck cars all the time, and other people's cars as well. How many innocent families they crash into and stuff. Like, that's not cool, man. Anytime I see people doing that stuff, I'm just like, whatever. Like, a lot of times when I'm out, you'll see like a Charger Scat Pack or an Infinity G35, whatever. They'll come speeding up, or a BMW, cut up, try to catch up to me, and want to play cat and mouse or whatever you want to call that shit. I don't do that, man. Maybe I used to do when I was younger here and there, but it's not worth it. Somebody always gotta get in. Oh shit, never mind. I was gonna say somebody always gotta get in the way, but let me slow down before this dude ends up hopping over here. Oh boy, fuck. Let me just chill. Because what these guys will do is they'll page like a highway patrol, and then I'll have somebody meeting me somewhere soon. And that's what I don't want. Come on, buddy. Finally, that cop left, man. Thought he was about to take the whole ride with us or something. Damn. Wow, look at that beautiful water. Let's make sure he ain't coming up behind me or some state trooper or something. You know, you never know with these guys. I just need to get to my destination. Never mind. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. About to park it up. Make sure I don't run into my lawnmower. Like and subscribe, guys. Comment. Gonna be pushing out more videos. Stay tuned. Get you guys a little idle clip real quick. Subscribe, guys. Stay tuned.